All right, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's almost been 7 years when I moved to Lahore after my marriage, and I was studying here as well. Um, and I still remember all moments and all my feelings which I have experienced these days. And seriously, it was very heart wrenching for me because I was leaving my hometown and my family and my parents, all of them. And after that, I have experienced much more difficulties, which include packing, unpacking, settling in a new surrounding, new neighbors. Everything was very disturbing for me, and it was very challenging for me because I was studying as well, and I was very confused how to manage all things because it's much difficult for me to run a home and studies as well because I was very untrained in all these householding matters, and it gives me a lot of difficult time. So it was very difficult. It was very problematic for me to control all the matters during all these days.
All right, you spoke for 1 minute and 28 seconds. Overall, it is good, but actually, you mixed. I mean, you spoke present tense where you had to speak past. Okay? Sentences like I have experienced, it should have been I got experience or I experienced. Then you said I was leaving, it should have been I left. I left my home and then I came to Lahore, like that. Then you said which include, it should have been which included,
Did.
not include included. And then you said it's much, it should have been it was. So I mean what you did, 60 to 70% you made sentences in present, and 30-40% you made sentences in past tense. Actually your topic was all in the past tense. Okay, then you said it gives me a lot of time, so I mean it gave me a lot of time. So you should focus your tenses.
Tenses.
That is the most important area for you, along with that vocabulary, because you are using the same words time and again. Repetition was there, so you should avoid that. Looking at your overall performance, it's present, I'll give you 5 pen.